And again, you have a big long driveway here and you're off of a quiet street, and it's just actually a really charming house. Not a lot to do to it. It's move-in ready, and it comes with the stainless steel refrigerator, lots of cabinets, and plenty of storage for your dishes. And then through here, this is your laundry room, and there is a washer dryer. Also has a lot of cabinets and counter space here, so you can use this to fold your laundry. And then you have your water heater and furnace in here as well. And then through this door, this is your garage. So it definitely is a one-car garage, and they have additional shelves in here. So you could use this as a shop and like a workshop area. And then I will take you out to the back.